Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be using First Steps, and this is the card that we're making. Let's get started. All right, so we are going to bring in our Big Shot, and I have a piece of Whisper White. And then I have the largest square from the Stitch Shapes Framelits. And we'll just run that through. Put this out of the way. Okay, so we'll take this out. All right, so we have Pool Party. And we are using First Steps. And we are going to be using these feet print, and little feet leave big imprints on our hearts, and welcome little one. Okay, so first I mounted both feet on clear block C. So we'll ink that up. So just like that. Next I'm going to come in with my Night of Navy and get the welcome little one. And I want it right in the middle of the feet, just like that. Now we're finished with our Pool Party. And I have a piece of Pool Party paper, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the sentiment mounted on clear block C as well. So just like that. All right, that is all the stamping we are doing. Get that out of the way. And our card base is Night of Navy, and this measures 8 1/2 by 5 1/2, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. Gonna come in with my snail adhesive, and I have a Twinkle Twinkle Designer Series paper. And I'm just gonna adhere this with my snail adhesive. So just like that. And you know, yeah, I like it like that. All right, so we'll come in and put in the inside of the card here. My niece's first baby is going to be born next month, so I wanted to be prepared. All right, so we're going to pop up our stitch shape with some Stampin' Dimensionals. And we'll rip the backs off. All right, so just like that, and then I'm going to come in with my faceted dots. And let's see, I have these. I kind of like these to bring a little color into it, but it's for a boy, so yeah, let's go ahead and take that off, and we'll put the green ones on. And I kind of just like two. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple baby card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye.